People on the street don't need to know that what's on your hand isn't real diamonds. Oh my God, where is that ring from? I must know. So sparkly. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jessica of the blog Miss More Style, and here on YouTube I make videos about affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Basically just covering all the ways that you can look your most chic and live your best life without breaking the bank. If that sounds like something that you might be interested in, then you definitely want to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right down below. And then while you're at it, maybe just ding the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my videos when they get posted. Today is going to be an Italo jewelry review, but what's going to be different about this one, because I have done some in the past, is I'm not showing you any new pieces that I have gotten from Italo. I'm going to be sharing with you my entire Italo jewelry collection and sort of giving you my follow-up review on Italo jewelry now that I've owned most of these pieces for over 6 months, some of them over a year. You know, a lot of the videos on YouTube reviewing Italo kind of do like unboxings where you like just got the piece and ooh, it's so beautiful and wonderful. But I'm sure some of you all want to know, like, how does this jewelry hold up over time? So I am here to give you all the details, all my thoughts and feelings on Italo jewelry after I've owned a lot of their pieces for a while. This video is sponsored by Italo Jewelry, but of course you all know I will always give you my honest thoughts and opinion. I would not partner with a brand unless I really believed in them. My friends at Italo were kind enough to give me a discount code so that you guys can save even more money on their already very affordable prices. And that code is MMORE20. You can get 20% off your order. So head down to the description box to shop everything that I'm going to share with you all today. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so in case you're not fully aware about what Italo is, Italo is an online jewelry company, and their aim is to really bring you beautiful, high-end, fine jewelry at affordable prices. They really believe that you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to give someone that you love a beautiful piece of jewelry, or even gift yourself a really beautiful piece of jewelry. The way that Italo keeps their prices low is essentially they cut out the middlemen of traditional jewelry stores. So instead of manufacturing the jewelry, shipping it to a retailer where you would then purchase the jewelry and then take it home with you, they basically sell direct to consumer. Now, just because their prices are affordable doesn't mean that their jewelry is cheap. All of their pieces are handmade by professional craftsmen. They always have really beautiful, unique, and intricate jewelry designs, which I really appreciate. They have the look of luxe, fine jewelry, but Italo uses sterling silver and then factory created sapphires to create really stunning rings that have all the sparkle and shine of real diamonds without that huge price tag. Every time that you order on Italo jewelry, you're going to get free shipping if you live in the US, Canada, UK, or Australia, an SGS certificate of authenticity, beautiful like packaging. I don't have any of it with me right now because I try to keep the clutter down in my house, but I'll insert a shot here of one of my past unboxings. If you're gifting this to yourself, or if you're intending this as a gift for someone you love, like, the presentation is top notch. It's so beautiful, especially if you're thinking about getting this as like a gift idea for someone this holiday season. By the way, this is their boxed packaging. It's like one of the few ones that I have kept around. Let's take a look at how it has held up over time. Now, I know some of these pieces I wear like super often, and some of them I wear less often, so I'll definitely let you know as we go along which ones I'm really wearing like a lot and which ones I'm not so much. First one, the infinity ring. This is 4.25 carats and it is sterling silver, and as you can see, it is just an infinity ring of these stones that go all the way around the band. I really, really love this. It's so stunning. I've had this one, I want to say, for about 6 months now. It sparkles so beautifully. These sapphires, like, they really, really do have such like a beautiful sparkle. I got this one because sometimes I like to stack up more rings on my wedding band engagement ring situation. So I'll just show you that. I like to put it on the bottom if I want like a really like blinged out look. And I think that's like a really fun complement to my wedding ring set, just if I want like an extra sparkly, extra blingy look. I've never had any issues with this ring or any of the rings from Italo, like as far as them turning my skin green. My skin is very sensitive to that. I can't really wear cheap rings. They will turn my fingers green and it's not attractive. So that's another reason why I really like Italo, because I know that I'm not going to have that issue and it's just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so another reason why Italo is great is they have some really stunning engagement rings and wedding band corresponding sets. And whether or not that's what you want to go with for your actual wedding jewelry is totally up to you. I have my gorgeous real diamond set, but sometimes when I travel, I don't feel very good about wearing my real jewelry. It just gives me more peace of mind to leave my real stuff at home and still have something pretty to wear when I'm out traveling, but something that I know, like, if anything happens to it, it's going to be not a devastating event in my life. So I can get some really fun alternative wedding bands and engagement rings to wear in these sort of situations where I want to keep my real stuff safe. The first set that is so gorgeous, rose gold wedding band and pear-shaped engagement ring. I mean, how stunning. I love the design of it, how the wedding band kind of points down a little. Here, I'll just take this off so you can really fully see what that looks like, but I just think that's so cool. It's such a unique wedding band. Like, you can have fun with different like trends. Like, this pear-shaped stone is a little bit more of like a trend, I feel like. So I can like sort of get that like fun feel with something, and it doesn't have to be for forever. It can just be for fun. And likewise, I could wear this on my other hand as sort of like a cocktail ring for going out somewhere and I want to be a little bit fancier. It just looks so beautiful on the other hand too. It's so stunning, and like all the little details in the setting is just, I mean, they really do put so much like effort and craftsmanship into these rings. And I have had these rings for quite a while, I think about a year now, and I've worn them pretty often. I have to say the rose gold tone on them has not gone anywhere. It's still very beautiful. It's not tarnishing at all. Again, these don't turn my fingers green, so that is a huge plus for me. Very, very similar ring is this one. This is like the one that I got before that pear-shaped one, but you can see it's a very similar style. It's just like a oval shape rather than a pear shape. And again, this just makes like a really pretty ring to wear on, you know, my other hand. If I want something a little blingy, sparkly on that hand, it's so stunning. Just the way like the light hits it, it's just so beautiful. And again, I have worn this a bunch of times. It still looks fantastic on the metal. I mean, honestly, like, no complaints. And like, again, I've washed my hands a lot wearing these, which I know you're not really like supposed to. It's holding up fantastic. So the next ring is one that I've had probably for 6 months, and I am obsessed with this ring. And I swear to God, every time I wear it in a TikTok video, in a YouTube video, like anytime I wear this and people see my hand, people are like, oh my God, where is that emerald ring from? I must know. This has to be probably my favorite piece from Italo, and it is this emerald ring. And that is, I mean, look at this thing, guys. It is so stunning. I love the little white sapphires that are on the sides of it, and it is a yellow gold plating over sterling silver. The plating on this looks amazing. I wear this ring all the time, seriously all the time, and it looks incredible. The one thing I love about Italo as well is I'm a May baby, so my birthstone is emerald, but emeralds are incredibly expensive. Italo is a great alternative for me to be able to have like stuff in my birthstone, which I love. I love everything emerald. A more affordable alternative to getting emerald pieces than just having the real deal. This is a total of 10 carats, and it is just, I mean, absolutely stunning. If you get nothing else from Italo, get yourself one of these rings. You'll just get like compliments galore. I feel like every time I wear it, I just get like people asking so many questions about this ring. It's just, oh, stunning. On the same vein as emeralds, I have another ring. This is, technically they call this a wedding band. This is another ring that I get so many compliments on. Again, it's got those stunning emeralds, but it's got that row of sapphires on the top and bottom, and you can just see how it just shines and sparkles. And again, like, people ask me all the time if this is real. They think it's real, and I'm like, no. Sapphires. It looks real and it looks absolutely stunning, and that's really all that matters. People on the street don't need to know that what's on your hand isn't real diamonds or emeralds, right? They just need to see that, I mean, it's beautiful. I'll say the one thing about this ring is I feel like it's sized a little bit small. This is one that I feel like is pretty snug, especially when I notice that I like, when I retain water, you know, my hands get a little bit, my fingers get a little thicker. I don't know about you guys, but my hands and my fingers like fluctuate so much from when I'm cold to when I'm hot, or from when I'm bloated to not, you know. So this is one that I feel like sometimes it's hard to get it off. So maybe size up just like a slight bit when you order this ring, because I feel like it does run small. But this is the only one that I feel like sizing of it kind of runs on the smaller side. All the other rings that Italo sells, I feel like are really true to size. This ring has a total of 8.25 carats. So they make this style with just all white sapphires. They make one that has like blue sapphires throughout the middle. I think they have one that has like, looks like rubies. So this does come in some other color options if you're interested in a different like birthstone color for yourself or someone on your holiday shopping list. This is another ring I've had that's a little bit more of a recent one. I featured this ring in my how to look expensive on a budget video is when I got this one, but this is the double row Eternity Marquee wedding band, and this is 4.55 carats in weight. I just love this ring. This is one that I wear all the time as well, just because I feel like some of the other ones, like the, you know, this one and these like that are super big blingy rings, sometimes I don't always feel like those are like very appropriate for like every day, but I feel like this ring looks so beautiful for every day. It's just got like the right amount of sparkle but not too much, and it's very comfortable to wear on my fingers. It fits perfectly, and I just love the little, they almost look like little like leaves in a, I don't know, like a vine of leaves. It's just so pretty and very delicate looking. Probably one of my favorite rings that I own, and I wear it all the time. Now, maybe you're not really into like super blingy jewelry, or maybe you're shopping for somebody who has a little bit more of a minimal style jewelry. I also have this one. This is the nail ring that I have, and this definitely like is kind of a dupe for Cartier nail ring, I feel like. And you can see it's just yellow gold. Of course, it's yellow gold plating over sterling silver, and it's just got those fine little details in the head of the nail, the little tiny sapphires, just to give it that little hint of sparkle. But this is a great ring if you like more minimal jewelry, if you're not really into like super sparkly, crazy blingy stuff. Italo also has pieces that are perfect for that taste as well, and I really love it. It's a great little Cartier dupe. If you've got someone on your list who loves Cartier, but maybe you don't have like that kind of budget, this is a great option for them or for yourself. Okay, moving on to some earrings. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. These are these beautiful bejeweled hoop earrings. I like that they're not super big, but they just give like a little bit of sparkle to any look. And I like that they have the little stones that are on the like inside right there, because it just gives you that extra little bit of sparkliness rather than continuing the stones all the way down underneath, because nobody sees those. They put them right there. So this is where like you just get the full effect of the bling. And pretty lightweight, so they're not like heavy. They don't drag your earlobes down too much. They're just a really pretty classic hoop. I feel like hoop earrings are such a great classic staple that you can't go wrong with. You can always have, you know, different types of hoops. I personally feel like I have like 20 different pairs of different kinds of hoop earrings, just because I feel like they just go with everything and they're just always in style. Another pair of hoop earrings, again, for like maybe the person that's a bit more minimal, isn't all about the bling. They're classic gold hoop earrings. They are a good size. They're a little bit heavier, but they're not too bad, just so you can see them in comparison size-wise with these. So they are just like a nice smaller size hoop. Right? Again, for every day, these would go with literally any outfit. Again, they're going to be a classic pair of earrings that you will wear for years to come. You'll get a lot of use out of. Again, they are silver plated, so if you have sensitive ears and you can't really be putting cheap metals into your ears, this is great for that as well. So now moving on to some necklaces that I have from Italo. This is one of my favorite necklaces to wear and layer with others, and this is my name necklace. And I've had some name necklaces in the past, but they were so cheap. They were not very well made. But this one is just, it's beautiful. Again, it's sterling silver with gold plating. I love this. Like, I don't know if you guys are Sex and the City fans, but ever since I watched Sex and the City for the first time, you know, Carrie always wears her Carrie necklace. It always made me want to have a Jessica necklace. So I really love this one, and it really stands up. Again, I've worn this many, many times. It is not tarnished. You can see that it is still beautifully brilliant gold, shining and looking like new. So it's a very, very high quality, well-made name necklace that I think would be such a no-brainer gift for like literally anyone on your list, because who doesn't love, you know, fun personalized jewelry like this? Okay, now getting into some more blingy necklaces that are a little bit more for like special occasions. This is like one of the most stunning necklaces. I'm just gonna pop this on. It also comes with matching earrings, which the earrings are a little bit on the smaller side, but that's okay, because this necklace, when you see it on, you're gonna see like how high impact it is. So the earrings can be a little bit more subdued, but here are the little earrings. And the earrings are 3.55 carats total, and this necklace is 10.10 carats. I mean, look at that. Woo! Y'all, this is like bling blingin'. You can see how just like gorgeous and brilliant and sparkly that is. I just feel like I could be wearing like a gown and going to the Oscars or something with this necklace, because it is just so sparkly. Oh, I love it. Again, I don't get to wear this necklace that often just because I don't always have occasions to wear this, but absolutely gorgeous, and you're going to wear that to a special event with a beautiful dress. No one is going to question if those are diamonds or not because they just look so stunning. So the next necklace that I have to show you all is the classic princess cut tennis necklace. This one is so beautiful as well. It's just a bit different. It's these sort of like square princess cut stones instead of the other one that was pear shaped. And again, let me pop this one on and you can just see how just like brilliant and sparkly it is. I just absolutely love this necklace. I feel like I could wear this just over like a plain t-shirt and it would just make the whole look like, ah. So hopefully someday I'll have some fun occasions to wear these very, very blingy necklaces too as we get more and more back to normal, I guess you could say. But oh, wow. I mean, this would make such an incredible gift for anyone on your list who loves bling. It is just such a beautiful, brilliant, stunning necklace. All right, the last piece in my Italo collection is the one bracelet that I own from Italo. I don't know why I don't have more bracelets from them, but I wear this bracelet literally almost every day, and it is their sort of classic tennis bracelet, and you can see it looks amazing. Like, it's got this sterling silver with the gold, yellow gold plating. It's not tarnished at all. All the stones look so, so good and sparkly, and this is such a great bracelet. This would also make a brilliant gift idea for people on your list because this bracelet, like, it's so classic. Like, everybody loves a tennis bracelet. They go with everything, even like the most casual looks. I love to like layer this with like some of my other bracelets. I stack my bracelets up. This one is always in the mix because it just goes and meshes with everything. And again, if you're kind of stuck on something to get for someone in your Christmas shopping list, a beautiful tennis bracelet is a no-brainer. All right, well, that is my Italo collection follow-up review. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any more questions about Italo jewelry, please feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And let me know down in the comments if you ever decide to grab one of these pieces. I'm always curious to know. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button. Before you go, check out a couple more videos. I've picked these out just for you. I think you're really going to enjoy them. And that is it. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.